I already told, microorganisms act as a friend to the humankind and same time as a disaster to this humankind. Not only to the human but also to the plants, the type of categories. They act as a friendly to them and same time as a disaster to them. So first we see in which way the microorganism acting as a foe to the other living organism like plants, animals and human beings. With the example we can see this. In this first microbes we are going to see as example as virus. Whenever we think of this term virus, mostly our brain, our mind is used to get reflect this is as a negative one. So virus if you take in two modes, this virus is used to get infect the living organisms. So one mode is called normal infection or normal disease. Second one is abnormal disease, infection or abnormal disease. In technical terms, if we can tell like acute disease or acute infection, chronic disease or chronic infection. Acute infection means the type which we can able to cure that infection within a few days or few weeks or few months, maximum more than 1 month we can able to cure that type of infections. So for example, you take the normal infections which is spread by the virus. For example, you take cold, cough, influenza, which means shortly they called as flu. So influenza means that it's a type of fever with the shivering. So that process, that scenario, that event is called influenza. That stage is called influenza, that type of infection. So these type of infection is can able to cure at a particular period, maximum more than 1 month. But same time, some chronic type of infections this virus will create. Chronic type of infections means, for example, you take polio, measles, and chicken pox. Measles is also come under one of the pox disease or pox category. So these type if you see, it is very long lasting infection, chronic infection, which sometimes leads to fatal ends to the living organism. So like that, in two mode this viruses is used to get infect the living organism, whether that is a plants or whether that is a animal, that is not a point. So in this two way the virus is used to get spread their infection.